Question number 1. What is a copay? A. Free visit. B. Small fixed fee. C. Full bill. D. Tax. Your correct answer is option number B. Small fixed fee. Question number 2. What is an insurance agent? A. Doctor. B. Policy seller. C. Driver. D. Lawyer. Your correct answer is option number B. Policy seller. Question number 3. What is collision coverage for? A. Theft. B. Accident damage. C. Fire only. D. Health. Your correct answer is option number B. Accident damage. Question number 4. What is a beneficiary? A. Policy owner. B. Claim manager. C. Money receiver. D. Agent. Your correct answer is option number C. Money receiver. Question number 5. Travel insurance covers A. Flight delay. B. Petrol. C. ME. D. School fee. Your correct answer is option number A. Flight delay. Question number 6. What is an insurance claim? A. Refund. B. Coverage request. C. Loan. D. Investment. Your correct answer is option number B. Coverage request. Question number 7. Full coverage auto includes A. Liability only. B. Collision only. C. Liability plus collision. D. Health only. Your correct answer is option number C. Liability plus collision. Question number 8. Higher deductible means A. Higher premium. B. Lower premium. C. Free policy. D. No coverage. Your correct answer is option number B. Lower premium. Question number 9. Home insurance protects A. Bank loan. B. Personal property. C. Credit card. D. Salary. Your correct answer is option number B. Personal property. Question number 10. What lowers insurance premium? A. Bad credit. B. More claims. C. Good credit score. D. Late payment. Your correct answer is option number C. Good credit score. Question number 11. Comprehensive coverage pays for A. Theft. B. Petrol. C. Fine. D. Toll. Your correct answer is option number A. Theft. Question number 12. Whole life insurance has A. Cash value. B. No benefit. C. Car cover. D. Travel cover. Your correct answer is option number A. Cash value. Question number 13. Health insurance covers A. Car repair. B. Hospital bills. C. ME. D. Rent. Your correct answer is option number B. Hospital bills. Question number 14. Policy lapse means A. Active plan. B. Extra bonus. C. Coverage stopped. D. Discount. Your correct answer is option number C. Coverage stopped. Question number 15. Renter's insurance protects A. Building. B. Land. C. Belongings. D. Bank. Your correct answer is option number C. Belongings. Question number 16. Insurance fraud is A. Legal claim. B. False claim. C. Premium cut. D. Tax save. Your correct answer is option number B. False claim. Question number 17. Auto insurance is required for A. Driving legally. B. Buying phone. C. Tax filing. D. Passport. Your correct answer is option number A, driving legally. Question number 18. Flood insurance covers A, fire only, B, water damage, C, theft, D, accident. Your correct answer is option number B, water damage. Question number 19. Insurance policy means A, loan paper, B, coverage contract, C, bank slip, D, tax bill. Your correct answer is option number B, coverage contract. Question number 20. Low risk driver gets A, higher premium, B, lower premium, C, no policy, D, fine. Your correct answer is option number B, lower premium. That brings us to the end of today's quiz. If you found this video helpful and interesting, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't forget to like the video and leave a great comment below. We love hearing from you. Your support helps us create more informative and exciting quizzes, just like this one. Stay tuned for more amazing health and knowledge-based videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Movie camera sparkles.